Hi everyone, this is Card Addict 23 and I'm opening up another pack of the MLB Series 1 2025. So far, I haven't been all that lucky. No relics or autographs. Just hoping for the best. We got Giancarlo, Kyle Harrison, Ezekiel Tavor. We got Darvish. I like Darvish. Darvish U. Oh, we got Yoshinobu Yamamoto. Nice. Hoop Dreams. Masataka Yoshida. Oh, nice. Got Yoshida. I love the Japanese players a lot. Brian Rochio. Sorry if I pronounce the names incorrectly. Brian De La Cruz. Rookie Tyler Locklear. Wrigley Field Lauren Elena. First pitch. Huh, that's kind of interesting. We'll keep that on the side. And Pete Crow Armstrong. Not bad, no relics, no autos, but some good cards nonetheless in my opinion. If you liked any of the cards, you like this video, please subscribe, like, comment, and check out my other videos. See you next time.